said, Kring has 4 countries. Masa said there are 50-some autocratic countries. I think all of them are trying to follow a philosophy or ideology that they want to replace the present world order and follow the Chinese world order. Now, Xi Jinping made it very clear what is Chinese world order. Global Belt and Road Initiative, global security, global development, global civilization initiative. And said, in 70 years of Communist Party of China, they have never occupied an inch of foreign land. I'm Tibetan, my Uyghur friends are here, and then Mongolians will all testify that even in the footage, it was not shown that Han Chinese occupied or inhabited areas only 40%. 60% of present day's map of China were inhabited by other people like Tibetans, Uyghurs, and Mongolians, right? So it's an expansionist ideology. And when there's a global security, it means global surveillance. When there's a global development, it means profit of them and loss for others. So I would like, our spokesman person from Taiwan to expand a bit on what is Chinese world order. If it replaces the present world order, how threatening and dangerous it could be for the rest of the world, particularly for Taiwan immediately.
Excellent, thank you.
That's a great question. And I think it really goes down to how clear we are, our clarity in terms of the CCP's intentions. And the CCP, I think, has always made quite clear that number one, that they intend to take Taiwan back peacefully again, if possible, but by force if necessary. But the second is to engage with the US on equal footing. They see